In this video, we will introduce the Koji backoffice and its diverse features designed to enhance and personalize your user's experience with Koji. First, you have the Koji Activity Dashboard available on the home page. It allows you to view the number of messages from users over a period and the number of active users by period. Next, click on Koji Settings, where you will find Koji's main settings. Koji settings are divided into two main categories: the project settings, which are specific to your current JSM project, and the global settings, which apply to all of your JSM projects. In the project settings, you can configure how to display Koji in your Service Desk portal and select a data source for Koji to use as a knowledge source when answering users' questions. In the global settings, you can customize Koji's welcome message, change Koji's name, change Koji's avatar, determine how Koji will address anonymous users, customize the settings related to ticket management, enable Koji to use knowledge sources such as web search and Confluence search, deploy Koji on a refined portal. Besides the main settings, the Koji backoffice offers other features. As seen in the knowledge sources and data source selection sections of the Koji settings, you can configure Koji to search in a Confluence data source linked to your project. This requires you to create a Confluence data source by going to Content Data Sources. Here you can view the available data sources and create new ones. Go to Overview. Here, you can view the status of your data sources, and you can re-index them if needed. Next, you have the File Manager, where you can upload your customized Koji avatar. Next, you have Widgets, where you can create a Koji widget to deploy on a regular portal or a refined portal. Next, you have Connections, where you should create an Atlassian connection if you intend to create a data source for Koji. Finally, you have Tenants, where you can deploy a regular portal widget in the Deploy a Portal Widget tab. By going to My Tenant Users, you can view the users of your tenant and change their role. Finally, you can go to Deploy a Refined Portal Widget, where you can get the code to deploy a Koji Refined Portal Widget. If you need any help or information regarding Koji's features, you can access the documentation by clicking Documentation on the top right. Tutorials are also available on the Tutorials page.